Hi, it's Chris here on Narrowboat Poppy. Just waxed the side of the paintwork. It hasn't been done for a week. It's been that wet. Looking all smart now. I've had to go back 3 times, bits of the mist. How are you? It's a dead windy day. There she is. I'm just running the engine. It's having an engine service. Hi, alright? How are you doing? Pardon?
Very windy, very wet.
It is, isn't it? We've had plenty of rain, haven't we?
Yeah.
That's Narrowboat Chef. I think his name's Ryan. Taking his dog for a walk. So just warming the oil up, so it flows a lot easier if it's warm, especially this cold weather. And here we are on the back of Narrowboat Poppy. There's the engine. VT43 4-wheel looking engine. On the dial. That's counted. Oil pressure, temperature, voltmeter. There fuses, well, the circuit breakers there, controlling the boat. Looking all nice to clean. So all hope you have a great day. Keep subscribing and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Dead windy.